The big boy, the outline. Now, if you do this correctly and put a lot of effort into the outline, the paper's going to practically write itself. So let's kind of go for what I'm looking for on the outline. First, you're going to go write your thesis statement, which you probably have improved since you started. And then, as it says on the checklist, you need at least 3 claims. So you'll write out your claim, and then you're going to do your evidence. Well, the evidence has 2 different forms. There's 2 types, and the 2 types are the 2 types that can go on the note cards. So use your note cards to go and do your evidence section. And the 2 types, if you don't know, are paraphrased info or direct quotes. So what you'll do is with these particular bullet points, you're going to go and write your info from the note cards. That's why I use the note cards. But then, when you write your paper, you're going to have to do something that we call in-text citations, which says when you have info, whether it's paraphrased or direct quote, people always forget this, even if it's paraphrased, you need to say where it's from. That's what the parentheses are for. So basically, if it's from an author, you put the author's last name first. So if the author was Smith, where you got, say you got this first bullet point, you put Smith here, and then you put the page number. Common question is, well, what if it's not out of a book? You would go and, in the parentheses, you would just put the author's last name, like if it's a website, or the editor's last name or the website. If you don't have an author, you would put the name of the article title. So if it was just a title of an article that doesn't have an author, which probably is pretty rare because most things that you should be using in a research paper should have an author, you would put it in here, and then you'd actually put quotes around the title of the article. And what you're going to do is when we go and make the essay itself, you're basically using these in-text citations that you've already built. You'll put them directly into the paragraph. And we'll get there at some point.